Hi everyone, Ironclad Cobra here, and welcome to another JSAUX accessories video. Today I'm featuring the OmniCase 2. This is the latest innovation or cool accessories for digital nomads and gamers. Of course, this is a review unit sent by JSAUX. Thank you so much, JSAUX, for sending it. Just two quick notes for you guys. The first is this is not a sponsored video, which means all the opinions and views are of my own. The second note is that there will be an affiliate link in the video description, which means if you click on it to purchase the item, I receive a small commission. Okay, let's look at this cool 10-in-1 docking station. Of course, this is the OmniCase 2. There is also, I think it's coming soon, the OmniCase 2 Pro. That one is 12-in-1 instead of 10. I think it has an extra HDMI out and an extra Type-C charging port. As you see here, these are the technical specs here. It's capable of doing 100-watt charging, HDMI 4K 60 Hz, 2-in-1 docking station, as well as a cool storage box and some technical info, SIM card, tool set. It's also capable of mic audio ports as well, and 5 Gigabit Ethernet connection. Okay, this is a very basic and high quality packaging by JSAUX. As you see, at the back of the packaging you will see here the product dimensions, technical details as well. Cool. So let's open it together and check it out. Very premium packaging by JSAUX, great job. There's also an iPhone adapter here as well. This is the unit itself. I think these are some user manuals, English and Chinese. This is the Chinese, this is the English. This is the product description as well. So there you go. That's all in the box. Let's review the unit itself. Wow, it feels really premium. Of course, the build material of this docking station is alloy aluminum, and it has a magnetic suction, as you see here. Here are your card readers, adapters, SD cards and micro SD cards as well. And this is the metal pin. And here we have Type-C to Type-C cable, C to C as well. And this one is C to micro USB. And this one is C to A USB. Very compact design for traveling. Okay, and now let's look at the connectivity. So here we have our 3.5mm audio jack, as you see, Ethernet connection, HDMI out, capable of doing 4K 60 Hz, 2 PD USBs C, and then these are USB-A's 3.0, and here is the USB 2.0, and then you have your SD card reader plus micro SD card slot as well. Very compact design, very cool docking station, capable of doing up to 100 watts, and I think you can use it with your consoles, whether it's Steam Deck or other gaming consoles. You can also use it for your laptops and PCs and tablet PCs, so it's quite universal usage, and it's very compact and very high quality. I think this is the OmniCase 2 is about $70, and the OmniCase 2 Pro will be around $100 US, but I think for 10-in-1 this is very good. Highly recommended. As I said, I personally love it. The build quality, the portability, the design, usage, 100% recommended. Okay, I think that would be for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to like and subscribe, and always remember, we don't stop gaming because we grow old. We grow old because we stop gaming.